The Upmix plugin allows you to have more flexibility when working with mono sources, and there are two versions of the plugin. The 1:2 version allows you to upmix a mono source into a stereo signal, whilst the 1:3 version allows you to upmix a mono source into an LCR signal. In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up the plugin in ProTools. First, you need to make sure that you have enough output channels in your output bus. Go to Setup and then I/O Setup. If you plan on using the 1:2 version, make sure you have at least the left and right output channel set up. If you plan on using the 1:3 version, make sure you also have the center channel set up. First, create a mono audio track. Then insert the plugin into the inserts chain. ProTools will automatically detect the type of plugin inserted and change the channel configuration of the track accordingly. So, if you use the 1:2 version, it will convert it into a 2-channel output track. If you use the 1:3 version, it will convert it into a 3-channel output track. Then simply insert your audio file into the track. Make sure that the track is outputting to the correct output bus, and you're all set up. To use the plugin as a send effect, you should first create a mono track for your mono signal, which you can easily do by dragging the file from your File Explorer into ProTools. Then create a mono auxiliary track and insert the plugin into the inserts chain. As mentioned before, ProTools will change the configuration of the track to match the plugin inserted. Now route the mono signal to the auxiliary track. Check that the auxiliary track is outputting to your output system, and you should be good to go. If you have any further questions about the Upmix plugin, or about any of our other products, you can reach us using the contact form at our website scheps.de. Thank you for watching.